Well, hi folks, this is a very brief clip about what to do when you're stuck in LAX on a layover for 10 hours. And if you're a boatie, if you're a yachtie, I'm suggesting you might like to pay 25 bucks to go to Marina Del Rey, which is an outrageous place. There's 5,000 boats, 21 marinas, probably the biggest man-made marina in the world. And it's pretty spectacular. Again, it's kind of my advice that it's a long walk, so you might want to actually get a bike to ride around. This is on the northeast side, and you can see there's some things we don't have in Australia, like sea lions on the end of wharves. Anyway, it's again made of these 8 basins and some fantastic yachts. This is a Dew 452 Grand Large, by the way, and actually this is, I think, is a Beneteau 46. There's old and new, an amazing array. This looks to me to be an old Beneteau First 36. More sea lions just hanging around. This, I think, is the end of B, looking over towards C. Anyway, it's so big I had to hire a bike. We're kind of charging along here. There's one nice bit of beach with these volleyball courts and a great place for lunch here. This is kind of Basin D. This is the long ride to the other side of the marina. So we're heading towards E. This is going up the side of F, and over this side there's some smaller yachts. About 50% of the yachts are under 35 feet. And obviously there's plenty of stuff for sale. These are a nice couple of boats. That's a Jeanneau 469. I think this is going up G. At the end of G, there's actually a nice park, a nice green area you can sit and have lunch. Bit of a hangover from Halloween there. That, I suspect, is a very big oyster going out towards the seaway. And there's the seaway from the marina. Lots to see, lots of charter boats, lots of organisations. Again, plenty of wildlife. And when you've done all that, you can actually ride your bike out to the seaway at the end. And I did that. My plane's at midnight, so there's still plenty of time. Really nice to see the boats come in at sunset. And that's a brief glimpse of Marina Del Rey, the largest man-made marina in the world. And if you have to waste some time, it's a good way to do it without spending lots of money. There's plenty of nice boats to see.